Hello everyone, Prashant here. Welcome to the channel. So today we are in the second day of coding series. So today also we are going to cover the sliding window in another type. Okay, okay. So sorry for this one. It's Sunday, so he will torture me. Today we are going to see the one of the common question in all the most of the interviews: longest substring without repeating characters. So in this, people will get confused. Like they will use array, they will use lot of things. Today we are going to simply use sliding into concept of left and right with the hash set. Okay. So I'm going to explain you manually what is doing. So we keep the both left index and right index in the A. Okay, the first. Then we will add the second one, B. First, before adding, we will check this B is already in the set. If it is not there, then we add it and we increase the longest substring to 2. Next, we will go to the C. We'll check it. C is already present in AB. No. Then we add a C also and increase the longest substring to 3. Then again we go to the A. So who goes to A? Right. Right goes to the A and check it's there. Yeah, it's there. Right now, if it is value is already there means increase the left. So now the left is go to B and right is go to B. Again checks B is there on the list. Yeah, BCA is already B as contains. Then move the left. Next go to the C. We'll check it. Yeah, in CAB C is there and then move the left to A. So now again go to C like that. Okay. So I will go in the coding way. Now the output is C because the longest substring is 3 from based upon this input. Okay. I'm going to create a simple method. Public static integer longest substring str. So we want to pass the input. I'm going to put the string equal to str. Okay. As usual, return the empty s, otherwise you will get a return type error. Now last time I taught you, first step is check the inputs are valid. So that is the first step of any coding. So if given string is not equal to null and it's not null, and another way string str dot is not empty. In the both the cases, if it is true means go to the return 0. Because we don't want to waste the logic with when the input is invalid. So that is the first step. Next step is what are the parameters we need. We need the, I told you, left parameter. And we need the longest string. Right? I put a long str equal to 0. Then we need a set to store the characters. So set character. This is when. So set is we need to import. So for that I am going to write as usual import function import java dot util. I am going to put a star because star is indicates all the sets. Window new hash set. Why put a star means generally if we didn't put a star, then you want to type set, you want to type hash set, there are so many things there. Okay. Now the first step is start the for loop. This is on right int right also start from 0. I told you in the starting both left and right start from 0 and right goes to less than what? Str dot length and right plus plus. Okay. So this is most simple portion. So both left also starting from 0, right also starting. So now I want to take the first character. Take an example. I want to take A. So how to take a value from a character from a string? Char current word current letter. Okay, equal to str dot char at what? Right. Because we want to every time we will take the right only goes to the each element. So take the right element. Now so what I said the first step and second step we want to check the taken new character is already presented in the set. So what is the set here? Window. Window dot contains what? This current character. Contains the current character. If it is contains, suppose it has the value means, then we need to remove that character. So from the windows dot remove, whom I want to remove? Right now left also A, so I want to remove the left character. So here we take the right, here we take the str dot char at whom? Left. And next portion is, once I remove from the list means I want to move the left index. How to move the left index? Left plus plus. So now I moved one position, left is moves. If the value didn't contains the value, the characters means what I want to do? Simple, window dot add current letter. Simple. Next I want to check my current math dot current longest substring, right? So how to check it? The current longest substring compare with the right minus left plus 1. Why plus 1? Because we started with the 0 index, but generally we will need a length from 1. So that's why 1 2 3 4, not a 0. So that's why I added a 1 addition. So now I will compare my left position, right position, adding, minusing this position and adding 1. Okay. Then update my longest substring equal to current longest substring. Then as usual I will return my longest substring. Okay. So I will go again. First I will check the condition is input is valid or not. Next I am assigning left equal to 0 and longest string to right now 0. And window I am creating a set to store the characters. In the for loop I am starting the index of right equal to 0, taking the current letter from the right index, check that is already present in the set. If it is not present, then add it. If it is present, then remove the left and increase the left order to 1 position. Okay. Now I am going to create a main method. In the main method I am going to call this method test out. What is my method name? Longest substring. I want to pass like the same value here. Okay. Then I am running this method. See, the value is 3. Suppose I am giving only AB means, see, value is 2 because 2 is the maximum longest substring. If I put AA all or A means the value is only 1 because only 1 is the unique. I hope I cleared this enough. Okay, so please try this practice. Don't see the video and don't mug up it. Understand the logic. Yesterday we saw 1 plus 1 minus because that is sum based one. Here I want to find the exact location, so that's why I put a left and right. So both left and right start from one position, right moves one by one. When already presented means the left moves, if not present means right add into the set. So simple. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please put me in the comment. If you like the video, please share with the friends and you watch it and clear interviews. Thanks for watching.